The hypothalamus is true superior regulator of hormone system. The hypothalamus forming the most ventral part of the diencephalon or midbrain. It is a key regulator of homeostasis, controlling not only release of pituitary hormones but also range of autonomic and behavioral functions. This hypothalamus having mainly seven functions. First is regulation of temperature. Second is regulation of blood pressure. Third one is regulation of sex drive. Fourth one is regulation of food and water intake. Fifth one is regulation of sleep. Sixth one is regulation of circadian rhythm. And seventh one is regulation of emotions. The various nuclei located within the hypothalamus allow signal to pass between the nervous and endocrine system by the pituitary gland. The hypothalamus receives both hormonal and neural input from the periphery and the brain, and it exerts its action via neural as well as humoral pathways. There are extensive vascular, long portal vessels, and neural axonal in the pituitary stalk, connections between the hypothalamus and anterior and posterior lobe of the pituitary, as well as vascular connection between the anterior and posterior lobe by the short portal vessels. Control of endocrine system is primarily achieved by negative feedback loops, which not only act as the main form of regulation but are also important in fine tuning of function of the hypothalamic pituitary peripheral organ axis. The interplay of stimulatory and inhibitory hormone from the hypothalamus and the pituitary hormones is influenced by the negative feedback loops between the periphery and central organ, as well as between the pituitary and the hypothalamus. Positive feedback also exists primarily in the gonadal axis at the time of puberty and ovulation.